But then you have people are going to help you with friends and a family, and they will really think and help you with this. On store people that might help, or the the all call, the doll they call, which one the all. So they're gonna help you, but I'm also talking for you to talk about a computer to get stuff through the computer because you know it is but I would do it much easier, through all of this, so you can get this much a long time ago. so, so that could be, but computer using that is really, really, really helpful. But to talk ways, to do this and narrow to go through the narrow narrow ideas. Older stuffed displays. Okay. They're looking for racks, different that they're looking for stuff that might be good, or cashiers who tell talk to your opinion instead of you. Whoa. So that's the one to think about. If the store isn't accessible, I hate those. I really don't. I'm not that kind of, going into the store stuff. I really don't like them. So just an idea, but use mobility aids fully. Oh yeah. No kidding. Then there's the take intentional breaks. Yeah, no kidding. I just don't go through that. I hydrate and snacks, no kidding. For the track, that, and set time limited uh, before you even go in. I would never go. Not me. I just don't. And there's the the dicks, the nicks. I don't know. But then there's the online, and that's really important to me. I look at those easier. So online, or our side, to do that, yeah, or store pick up, yeah, and that's best, very best. And they can use sometimes, I guess, lockers. So that's really weird. Really weird. Mental mental, yeah, those are really hard. So vental, being a vental, ex, expect things to go on wrong, let go of perfection, yeah, leave with your body says an F. I have a hard time going out looking for, things. And no, I don't like doing that. That's really hard for me. I don't know how it happens to you. But just for the computer, that will help me, for the most, So, and on power cement. Yeah, I guess so. You don't owe um, 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 anyone. That's good. Ac- Caution, gritting things is not the measure of the the. So truly, um, you know, you owe don't you don't owe anyone, so you got to do that. But I would say, on to do the chore, doing the other one here is just much helps a lot more because I don't go out to looking for places to find to help someone or for myself to find a nice uh, thing for my friend or my family. So it really would actually get stuck for ourselves, but surviving holiday, shopping in a fuel wheelchair, you know, is we got to look at heavily holiday shopping while using a wheelchair. Yeah. What no one tells you. No, okay, well, some people really like to do it, but not me. Wheelchair, uh, holiday, shopping, survival. No, 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 no. I don't do survival. Not in a million ways. I prefer to go to the. I'm gonna come up with that I get stuck of saying it, so I'm going to do it. It's yes. So computer. So for the computer, I will look for stuff that for my family would be through the computer. So much will help me much more. So I'm not worried about those. I don't go out on the cities to looking for something. No, I don't. So take a look at your wheelchairs and see your your pain. It could cause something that might not that I wouldn't jump on. So kind of think of it, but having a friend and a family that could help you, or you could look at a computer that will help you a lot more than anything else. So think of something that works and you're not going to get yourself stress. No. And give yourself some time in which that'll work and that'll help you to, find something that'll fun with your trans your tran your trans and your people and that's what good. I can see that my something's wrong with my people. my real here. So I don't know what's going on. Oh, okay, there. we're we're losing time for so anyway, we're doing well, and I just want you to feel a fun time is the best So find something that you can find for your family, and friends that will give you a time to do a little something, for them that'll work. So think of it. That's like the vital. That's the vital thing, the little thing that you can do for all of them, and so just think of it. And uh, I'm hoping too for myself. All right. Take care, and I'll see you soon as the cheer time, that'll work.